this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature to a Microsoft Word document. The first step is to scan a copy of your signature and save it as a file on your computer in a place that you can access for later use. The next step is to open your Word document where you want your signature to appear on. Left-click on the document to move your cursor where you want your signature line to appear. Along the top ribbon, left-click on Insert, and then an arrow next to the signature line drop-down box, and select Microsoft Office Signature Line. The Signature Setup dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, we can add the name of the signer's title, and an option for an email address. For this example, we're going to use John Doe, and we're going to say his title is Manager. We're going to leave the suggested email blank. Here there are instructions to the signer. The last two options are to allow the signer to add comments to the Sign dialog box. And the final option is to show the date which the signature was signed. Once you're happy with this setup, left-click on OK. And as you can see, a signature line has appeared. If we left-click on anywhere in this area, we'll see that a box appears around it. From here, if you wanted to, you could resize it, make it smaller, make it larger. Once you're happy with the size and placement, right-click in the box. Under the drop-down menu, click on the Sign option. There are two ways to sign the document. One, you could simply type in the name here, or you can select the image of the signature that you previously scanned and saved to your machine. For this example, I'm going to say Select Image, and from a file. And I've selected the file where I had saved a previously scanned signature. Here, the instructions for the signer are listed, and once you're happy, click Sign. As you can see, a message has appeared at the top saying that the document has been marked as final to discourage editing. If you were to say Edit Anyway, a dialog box appears that lets you know that if you edit the document, it will remove the signature from the document. If you click Yes, you can see that the signature has been removed. This prevents anyone from changing the document after it has been signed. Thank you for watching.